Hello, everyone. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that many of us celebrate every year. So, what is Easter? Let's dive right in. Easter is a major annual Christian festival that commemorates the resurrection of Jesus Christ. It is observed on the first Sunday following the full moon that occurs on or after the spring equinox. This means that the date for Easter can vary from year to year. It's a time for Christians all over the world to reflect on the sacrifice and triumph of Jesus Christ and to celebrate his resurrection from the dead. However, it's important to note that Easter has also evolved into a cultural holiday in many countries across Europe and North America. Many people associate Easter with bunnies, colored eggs, and springtime celebrations. So while Easter signifies a significant religious holiday for Christians worldwide, it's also an opportunity for people of all faiths to come together and celebrate life, love, and happiness. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content like this one. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, take care and keep spreading love and happiness.